Okay, uh, now we're gonna start with another sessions. Here we're gonna learn more about list. So when you learn some functions or some data types or something, you have to at least know the basics. You don't need to know all the stuff, but you should know what this for, what the purpose of these things. As I mentioned earlier, three things you should think in your mind when you're facing some problem. First thing is you have to think, and you have to search about that, and you have to then solve the problem. That's what my advice over facing one any kind of uh, problems. We're gonna start with operations, uh, with data types. So as an introductory sessions, we are starting with list. So we know list, we learned about a list. So first of all, I'm gonna create a uh, data types. I'm gonna save it in this operations. The extension is py, and make sure that it's readable as well as it's more convenient or not much verses, then it's more easy, so it's saved. So yeah, now the, uh, the IDE knows this is the Python folder, then it's more easy for that to execute. Yeah, let's come to the point. For example, we learned each and individual steps in the basics operations with, the data types. There we try the different data types. But when coming to the real programming, for example, let's take one teacher who is trying to do taking all the scores of a particular student subjects. Then the teacher has to uh, list all the stuff, right? So but in that list, for example, uh, uh, let's take the teacher needs to take a few subjects from the list, or for more convenient to know that the teacher has taken out the list of the students, those who are get above 30 marks. So these are the functions. So the teacher has to remove the some students from the list, or the teacher has to add more students in the list if somebody got more marks in a particular subject or something. So that makes sense. So in that case, we have to do the operations with the data types. Here we're gonna start with the list, so we will know more about the list. So let's begin.